the lead is taken by Porsari by the rail. Pinakamagaling on the outside. Louis Star inner class. And 9 Dragon is bringing up the rear. Heading for the backstretch by Porsari by Alain Caneha, followed by 9 Dragon in second. And pinakamagaling on the outside in between horses, inner class on the farther outside, Louis Star. Into the backstretch by Porsari by Alain Caneha, followed by entry number 2, that's 9 Dragon. And pinakamagaling on the outside, inner class, and Louis Star. At the mid backstretch, it is still by Porsari by 2 lengths, followed by pinakamagaling on the outside, and 9 Dragon moving up on the inside, inner class, and Louis Star on the farther outside. At the pattern, it is still by Porsari in the lead. It's by Porsari, and on the outside, pinakamagaling and Louis Star. 9 Dragon moving up on the inside and inner class. But it's still by Porsari by half a length, followed by pinakamagaling on the outside and running in third by 3.5 lengths is 9 Dragon, Louis Star and inner class. At the top of the stretch, pinakamagaling on the outside by Porsari by the rail, and closing in third is 9 Dragon. Pinakamagaling on the outside by Porsari, 9 Dragon on the farther outside, but it's still pinakamagaling in the lead. It's pinakamagaling in the lead, followed by Porsari, and 9 Dragon moving up on the farther outside, but it's still pinakamagaling. And finally, at the payoff line, it's pinakamagaling, 9 Dragon by Porsari, inner class, and Louis Star.
Pinakamagaling.